got a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe key fob here. Let's change the battery. First thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a button right here that we're going to press and hold down with our thumb. And you can pull out the emergency key. We don't need it anymore. We're going to split the remote open. This is going to help us right here. So if we look inside the bottom of the remote here, there's a slot you have right here. There's another slot here. This is where the emergency key went in. We're not using that slot. We're using this slot here with a small flathead screwdriver. We'll put it in here, give it a little bit of a twist, and it will crack the remote open. Okay, this is so you don't damage the outside of the remote. You just kind of damage the inside of the remote where you can't see it. But we're gonna go ahead and just continue opening it up carefully, not to scratch it up. And then we'll take the back half. This is the half that has the battery, and we're just gonna pry the battery out of here. Okay, with our screwdriver. I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery is a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing down. When we go to put it back in here, it needs to go on these contacts first, and then we snap it in here. I did this one a little wrong. Gotta get it on those contacts or it won't go all the way down. Get it on the contacts, there we go. And then snap it in there like that. It should be nice and flat. So if you need a battery, I'll have a Amazon link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon so you can get the correct battery if you need one. For like $2 there. So you get the two halves, put the top half together first, then work your way down. It should snap just like that. And you know you got it all back together when the emergency key goes back in and locks. Okay, so I hope the video was quick and straightforward. If you thought it was, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another Hyundai video.